Hello everybody. In this video we will be discussing advanced cracks and correlations. Let's get right into it. So in this slide we'll be discussing two-stage SMT. Two-stage SMT is when there is two stages of SMT between either relevant lows, relevant highs, and I will be discussing a different form of two-stage SMT which will include a PSP. Let's get right into it. So here on the hourly chart, we have NQ and ES. As you see, NQ takes this relevant low, right? And ES does not. So this is our first stage of SMT. See, price fails to reverse from here and forms another relevant swing right here. ES actually comes and manipulates this relevant swing while NQ does not. So here is our two-stage SMT. And then we want to see price start to reverse away from this. I like to see two-stage SMT in every single reversal trade I engage with. In this slide, we will be discussing PSPs. A PSP is simply when the exact same candle on one asset closes different from the other. As you see, we have NQ and ES here. NQ closes as a down close candle for this hourly candle, and ES closed as an up close candle, deeming this candle a PSP they want to see price expand away from. Now, in this slide, we'll be discussing two-stage PSPs. So a PSP is just the same or used just the same as SMT. It's another form of crack and correlation, right? So if PSP is considered an SMT, and then we have SMT at the PSP's highs, what is that considered? A two-stage PSP, because now we have two forms of SMT to form a reversal. So as you see here, we have a PSP on NQ and ES, and NQ actually fails to take this PSP's high while ES manipulates it. So now we could expect NQ to expand away and ES to follow. Here we have another variant of a two-stage PSP, where instead of there being SMT with the candle after the PSP, there's actually SMT before the candle. So as you see, we form a PSP here, and we actually fail to take this candle's high on NQ, while ES actually takes this candle's high and forms a PSP. So now we have two-stage SMT, right? Because we have this PSP and SMT at the highs. So this is our two-stage PSP, and we want to see price expand away from it. Here we have another variant of a two-stage PSP, where we actually two-stage at the highs and also have a PSP. As you see here, NQ fails to take this previous hour candle's high, and then we form a PSP, and then NQ actually takes the PSP's high, while ES does not, and we kind of form that like triangle signature of SMT, right? And now we want to see price expand away from this PSP.